Hello friends, in this lecture we will learn how to use the rectangle tool. Let's create a new document. Go to file, click on new. Let's provide here the width 1200 and also the height 1200 and make the resolution 72 pixels per inch. Now click on OK. The rectangle tool is placed here. Select it by clicking it. Well, now you have two ways to draw a rectangle. Way 1. Come to your document and click at a point. You will see a window popping up asking you the width and the height. You need to provide here the width and the height. It's 100 pixel by 100 pixel. Now click on OK. See? A tiny rectangle, right? OK. You can use this method if you have a pre-plan of what will be the width and the height. Now way 2. Click at a point inside your document. Now don't leave your mouse, just drag. See, that's it. So now we know that how to draw a rectangle. Now let's draw a square. In square, the width and height will be same. Let's use the first way of creating a square. Click at a point. Now it's asking you the width and the height. Let's make it 300. Since it's a square, the height will also be 300. Now click on OK. See? It's a perfect square. Now let's use the second method. Click at a point and start dragging. Now while dragging, hold the shift key. If you drag normally, see? It's not proportional, right? Now, as soon as you hold the shift key, see? Now it's a perfect square, right? Whenever you are satisfied, leave your mouse. That's it. It's a perfect square. Congrats! So that's it. In this lecture, we have got a pretty good idea about how to use the rectangle tool. And we have drawn rectangles and also squares. So that's it for this lecture. See you in the next lecture. Till then, have fun. Take care.